The entire cloud, every app you open, every message you send, every dollar that moves through a bank, runs on a network that is deliberately, mathematically, random, not organized, random. And that randomness is the reason it hasn't collapsed. This is the story of how Amazon looked at a math paper from the 1950s, a paper that sat unused for 60 years, and used it to rebuild the most important network on Earth. Let me show you why this matters. For decades, the people who build data centers, the physical warehouses where the cloud actually lives, used a design you've probably never heard of. It's called a fat tree. Imagine a company org chart. Workers at the bottom, managers in the middle, and executives at the top. Information has to climb up the chain before it can come back down. A fat tree is the same idea, but for servers. Every message climbs up a hierarchy of switches before it reaches its destination. It worked beautifully, until it didn't. Here's the problem. The more servers you add, the fatter the tree has to get. The top of the tree becomes one massive choke point. Every bit of data has to squeeze through it, and when the top fails, everything below it fails with it. That's not a bug, that's the design. Same architecture, totally different stakes. 1,000 servers? Fine. 1,000,000 servers? A ticking clock. Now rewind to the late 1950s. Two mathematicians, Paul Erdős and Alfred Rényi, asked a question that sounded completely useless at the time. What happens if you build a network where the connections are completely random? No plan, no hierarchy, no org chart, just wires connected by chance. The answer shocked everyone. Random networks don't fall apart when you scale them. They get more robust. Here's why. In a tree, there's exactly one path between any 2 points. Cut that path, and the network splits in half. One failure, one disaster. But in a random graph, there are thousands of paths between any 2 points. Cut one, and the data simply routes around it. Randomness isn't chaos. Randomness is redundancy. The math was beautiful, and then everyone forgot about it. For 60 years, the idea sat in academic papers, while the cloud grew into the tree-shaped monster it was becoming. Until Amazon did something nobody expected. They built it. Amazon's engineers designed what they call a resilient network graph. They replaced the organized tree with a flat, quasi-random web of connections. They used optical devices called shuffle boxes to physically wire servers to each other in a pattern that looks almost accidental. The result? 69% fewer routers, 33% more throughput, less hardware, less energy, less failure. Flat replaced fat. And the most interesting part isn't the engineering. It's what it tells you about the job. If you're trying to become a cloud network engineer, the old playbook taught you to memorize the tree, subnets, hierarchies, the careful ladder of switches. That playbook is now the past. The future is a network where the connections look random, and the skill is understanding why the randomness is the safety. Same title, totally different economic gravity. The engineers who understand graphs, who understand redundancy, who understand why chaos beats order, those are the engineers writing the next decade of infrastructure. Write this down. The biggest ideas aren't always new. Sometimes they're 60 years old, waiting for someone brave enough to use them. If you want to understand where the cloud is going, stop memorizing the tree. Start learning the graph. Drop a comment below. One thing you thought was too old to matter that turned out to be the future. Found this valuable? Watch our playlists.